That sale just got snake bit.
Hi everybody, I'm Princess Snake and I'm here with the
Tampa Bay Pickers!
And today we're going to GW and go shopping.
All right. So yeah, today's Monday. What's today now?
November 11th. It's Veterans Day.
Veterans Day, that's it.
Happy Veterans Day!
Yep, for all you vets out there.
Thank you for your service.
Thank you for your service, exactly. And I hope your year ends awesomely. So, anyway, as Princess Snake said, we are on our way to some GW. We did not go yard sailing this past Saturday because
it was
bad
wet.
weather.
Yeah, bad weather again.
But it I don't know, it was bad first thing in the morning and then it turned out to be a beautiful day.
Yeah, so maybe people, still ran their yard sales. They just didn't open them as early or something. I don't know. Obviously, I don't know because I didn't go out, but it did clear up. But, once it's like 9, 10 o'clock, I don't really see the reason to try and go out yard sailing at that point. So, anyway, so yeah, no yard sailing. But, again, the family's off today, so we'll take advantage and hit a thrift real quick, see what we can find. All right, so before we get to GW, I forgot to get you guys up to date as far as the vehicle is concerned. So let me just show you real quick. So we are finally back in our own van. Now, the thing is, is that the commitment that the company made to us last time, they did not keep. So the general manager at that time, his name was Keith, after going round and round and the third time them having the vehicle, I got him to agree to cover the module that's affecting our AC unit. So apparently a day or two after he made this commitment, he separated from the company. So I don't know if it was, he got fired or not. I guess that's not important. But he's no longer with the company. So they brought in a new general manager who called me a couple days ago. So this is after they had it for another 2 weeks, to tell me that they did absolutely nothing with the vehicle. They had no idea why the vehicle was still sitting there, and that it was ready for me to pick up. So yeah, long story short, now they're going back on their word and not fixing the module that or replacing the module that needs to be replaced. So at this point, there's nothing we can do other than possibly sue their bond, or just go after, just include it into the current lawsuit for the accident. So anyway, that's where we are.
They still didn't fix the door properly either.
Well, yeah, there's a thing with the door where you're supposed to press the button in the back, and then you just kind of back up, and then the lift gate opens by itself. But apparently that was never a feature, yeah, thank you, of this particular year model van. So apparently we had the only van our Toyota ever made that had that option that they somehow took away. Anyway, so yeah, so that's where we're at. But we're back in the van. I missed this van. Now we just have to find a way to pour another $1,200 into it to get this module fixed. But anyway, that's about it. Just wanted to get you up to date on that. And yeah, so we'll see you at GW.
Across the street, and the person behind him goes around him.
No, I missed that.
I mean, I thought you were all happy.
So where are the toys?
And look at The Miz. Who the heck is The Miz?
I don't know.
I mean, I could price check them, but I never heard of The Miz.
Yeah,
We have some state monopolies here, brand new. I wonder what these are worth. All right, so we just looked up these state monopolies here. Iowaopoly, here's Cocktailopoly, and Illinoisopoly, and they're not worth a darn. Lots of them up for sale, but none selling. So anyway, that's where we are. There's brand new sealed Seinfeld Seen It. That might be worth something. Let's see what they got over here in this movie section.
This is the movie video game section. Or has it just turned into a just movie section?
No, it's movies and games. Battleborn, Xbox One, brand new. I doubt that's worth anything. Alright guys, so we're leaving the movie section and game section now. I did find season 1.1 of G.I. Joe. That's the original series.
G.I. Joe.
And then I found Mario Party 8,
Excuse me, but you just...
which Mario Party 8 is actually worth some money. If you ever see the Mario Parties or Mario Karts or things to that effect, they sell really well. What exactly are these for, Lily?
These are for the ones that I already have.
These are for the ones that you already have. What are these for?
These are for the bracelets.
You make bracelets with rubber bands. Interesting. These are the ice creams makers that we part out. No problem. Move your tablet, please. Green, and it's half off.
Yes. can be so sweet sometimes.
Alright guys, so this is what we have so far. We have a Marantz DVD player, some sneakers that are for myself, and some items here.
And you got a statue of your daughter.
So we'll do some price comparisons here, some price checks, and see what we're keeping and what we're leaving. We are home. I think we spent what, maybe an hour and a half at GW?
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah. And for those of you that don't know, probably be too late before you see this anyway, but if you go to GW today, is it only for today, the 25% off?
I think so. Because it's Veterans Day? I think so.
25% off your total purchase if you have, you know,
Military
your military ID.
ID.
So just an FYI. All right, so let's show you what we got.
Okay, so a couple of things.
Most of this stuff, by the way, I think is for us.
No, that's not true.
All right, well, we'll see.
We got these shoes for Lily. They go with her Christmas dress. So that was one thing for us. Would love to keep these, but we're not going to.
Ah, yes.
But I found these Joker Converse
Yep, look
today. And they were super cheap. Like, I was surprised how cheap they were. Because typically, you know, they're not that cheap.
Yeah.
But yeah, they were pretty cheap.
They obviously didn't know what they had, but
No.
even had
It says Joker on the
I don't know if those are
shoelaces.
the original shoelaces that come with it, but I'm assuming they are. But yeah, even the shoelaces say Joker.
Yeah.
So very, very cool.
That's kind of interesting that they did this see-through.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
And
yeah,
so that you can see
so
the
that you can see the
pattern
stuff
of that.
behind it. I really like them. I would keep them for myself, but they're for sale.
Yep,
They
those
will.
are for the business.
And
Not
then-
sure what we can get out of those, but
I don't know.
yeah.
I know that we sold some Bane ones or had Bane ones in there, and I think they went for about 45, if not more. So
those are for me.
these are nice too. I was gonna ask you if they were for you. These are
Yeah.
some nice Under Armour kicks here for Snake,
Yeah, they're like canvas.
and they're really light. As far as like weight wise, they're super light shoes.
Yep, pure
So-
black. Well, not pure black, obviously,
But
because they have the
mostly
white
black.
sole, but
The nice thing about the canvas too is you can
Easy to
toss
clean.
these in the wash.
Yep.
Right into the washing
so yeah, I bought those for myself, size 13s.
He does not buy shoes for himself that often, so when he does, it's kind of a nice thing. Oh yeah, bicycle seat.
Yep.
It's a gel padding to go over an actual bicycle seat. Mean that Snake stole my bike seat, and the one I have is super hard.
Yeah.
All right, so now tennis balls.
Yeah, just figured need some balls. The kids can play with those. Those are for the kids.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
These make great massage things. My mom uses them in her car. She puts the tennis ball behind her in the car and
And rolls?
it around on her back.
I don't need that. I have you to roll it around my back, so that's pretty cool.
No comment. Nice. All right, so we kind of went light on the clothes today, and we only bought when we saw nice things. So, for example, found this really nice Columbia PFG.
Yep.
And it is a, what size is this one? There's no size in here?
Oh, no size?
Nope.
Oh well. Gotta do measurements then.
Yep, that's okay. I can do measurements on this one, yeah.
Yep.
But the
It's a
weird thing
vented
is
PFG.
look, there's no
Yep.
nice color.
Long
to it.
sleeve, so you get about 20, 25 off that.
Okay, we bought these because I found two that are the same size and because of the color. So we have one Brooks Brothers polo, a purple one, and then I thought this one was pretty. It's teal and pink.
Yep. Now normally we don't pick up Brooks Brothers anymore because they don't sell very well for us. But when we find them, you know, a few polos in the same size, some nice colors like these, we'll pick them up and lot them up. So we'll probably put both of these up for sale for about 30
Yeah, 30 to
35 bucks.
Interesting
Yep.
thing is they're the same size, and as you can see, they're
Yeah, it
not
might be a little
exactly
shorter,
the same
yeah.
size. But anyway, okay. These I got for me. They're a pair of capri. Well,
They're not
short.
capris.
They're not capris. Well, on me at least, they're not. But they were half off, and they have some nice embroidery on them.
Mm-hmm. Miss
So-
Me jeans.
Yes, miss me. They're supposed to be cropped skinny jeans.
All right.
So, but anyway. G.I. Joe, we're on the fence about this. We're probably going to keep it.
Yeah,
but
because it's really not worth anything. But for some reason, I didn't want to leave it. So, and it was only how much?
$3.
No,
No,
$1.50.
$1.50.
Yeah, it was
Sorry,
$1.50.
green tag.
But they only sell for about $6 online, so we'll probably just keep that for the kids.
I think this is a gift also. I think this is a Merry Christmas Willow.
Yep.
It's a very nice Tommy Bahama. It's a linen cotton blend. So, and then here's another one we picked up too.
Yep.
This one's a polo.
That's for the kid's grandfather. Abuelo in Spanish.
And then picked up this really nice southern tide. It needs to be washed because somebody dragged it across the floor.
Yeah, it's just surface dirt. When I looked at it, that's why I didn't leave it. It's a good size too. I think it's a 2XL or a 3XL.
It's a 2XL.
Yep, 2XL, Southern Tide. Let's see the graphic on the back.
Skipjack.
Yep, there you go. So we should be able to get $20-25 for this as well.
Yeah.
So
They're hard to find because we were finding them for a while there.
yeah, we don't find much Southern Tide anymore.
Now I can't find them at all. That's the first one I've seen in a while.
Yes, that's it.
Not a bad trip.
Yep.
So this was the best find, I think.
Yeah, we should probably get 40. I'm estimating between
Maybe
40 and
even
50.
more, being that the movie just came out.
Oh, maybe you're right. Yeah, maybe because the movie came out. Yeah, you're
That
right.
was the other thing I thought of when I saw him. Because at first I wasn't sure if it was Joker or if it was a clown. And then I looked a little bit further and I was like, oh no, that's the Joker.
Yeah, you're right. Might be able to get a little bit more right now if we were to put it up right now. So yeah, we might have to take the pictures of those and throw them up. All right. So yeah, not bad. You know, again, around this season, we pick up a lot of stuff for ourselves. Some Christmas gifts for some people.
I have them in my arm.
Yeah, some stuff for the kids. Yeah. So anyway, again, as you guys already know, that's one of the advantages of doing this. Shop for your business and shop for yourself at the same time, right?
Except that I get in trouble when I shop for myself.
When you do it too much, yeah, you gotta, you know, make sure you're not spending more time buying for yourself than you are for the business.
I only bought one
You know
thing
what I
for
mean?
myself today.
Yeah. Anyway, all right, guys. So that's about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, get
Bye,
snake bit.
guys.